Hi everybody, welcome back to Beth Unboxes. I'm Beth and today we're going to check out the July Birchbox. So you guys may have noticed it's been a minute since I made a video. Almost 2 weeks. We went out of town to visit with some family for a week and most of us got COVID while we were there. So I'm still getting over it. I've got my hot tea. Hopefully can make it through this video without coughing my head off, but I just had a stack of things ready to go. I'm waiting for me to do videos on. So we're going to go for it. We're going to push through. We're going to see how it goes. So for this video, we're going to check out the Birchbox for June. If you are not familiar with Birchbox, it is a monthly beauty skincare subscription box. In this box, you'll be able to get full-size items as well as samples, deluxe samples, trial sizes, tiny samples, all kinds of samples. This box is going to be $20 a month. You will get 4 to 6 items per box. It is customizable and there is free shipping. So I actually, when I was doing my choice, I'm going to go ahead and open this fly chat. While I was doing my choice, I thought I'm going to go ahead and do screenshots of all the available options so I can show you everything, what there was to choose from, and then show you what I picked. There were dozens. There's just no way. This month had the most choices that I've seen on a Birchbox pick. So typically what happens is you will have a list of choices. If you pick a full-size item, you only get to pick 4 total items. And if you don't get a full-size item, you'll be able to pick 5 items. Now that's what the website says. I have yet to see that be true. I intentionally picked a full-size item. I also picked 4 sample size items. So I chose 5 items. There was a little issue with it, I'll tell you about in a second, but each time I've done that, anytime I pick a full-size item, I still get 5 total items. So they may change that later, who knows. Well, it says 4 to 6 items, so maybe I would get 6 items if I didn't pick a full-size item. Maybe I still always get 5, so that's the important thing. One of the items I did pick for this box was a Sunday Riley Vitamin C Cream, and it was a $65 full-size value. I got an email from Birchbox a week or so ago that said that one oversold, and I wasn't going to get it, but they were going to substitute me a different full-size item. I was going to get a bonus item in my box, plus they were going to give me a $10 voucher that I can use on the website to shop. Now, on the website for shopping, it is not like Ipsy or FabFitFun or any of those that give you discounts on the products. Everything I see on there is full size, the same price you would pay if you went to Sephora or Ulta or wherever. So if you're going to buy that item anyway, you could buy it from Birchbox, and I can do that with my $10 coupon. If there's a full size item of something that I would pay normally full price for, I have the option of using my coupon for it. This box, I can tell you, is super packed. It's probably because I do have the extra item in it, but I'm not sure exactly what my extra stuff is. We're going to figure it out. So it does come with a little pamphlet. It's really just beauty information. It's not really specific to the products that we have in our box. Occasionally, I think the information will have something for the box, but for this one, it came with coupons for Dr. Brandt Drop of Strength and also the Daily Concepts Daily Body Scrubber. So there's information, just kind of trendy stuff. So it's not necessarily helpful to what's in the box, but it is helpful information if you like that kind of thing. So in this box, I'm going to start with what I know I picked. One of the items that I picked was this Living Proof. And this is for full dry volume. This is full dry volume blast, and this is the sample size. This is 3 ounces, and this is just a styling and finishing spray. So probably texturizing spray, hairspray kind of thing, which I like to use. I don't like to put a lot of weight in my hair, so a texturizer kind of lifts it up, which is nice. So I love Living Proof anyway, so that was a fun one to pick. It does look like a few of the things that are in the booklet are some of the samples that we got. So one of the picks that I did, and I forgot I picked this one, is a Dr. Brandt Drop of Strength. So I did get a little sample of Dr. Brandt, and this is an all-day strengthening serum. And this is going to be a 7 milliliter. Got about a 1/4 ounce size on this one. And we got our cute little blue squeezy top bottle. But that is our Dr. Brandt Drop of Strength. There's not much in here, but this kind of thing you don't really need a lot. So there's definitely enough in here to try and see how it's going to work for me. So I like that one. The next thing I picked is from a brand called, I want to say Kushi or Queshy. I'm going to say Kushi. Kushi, and this is a volumizing hair mask. I've been testing out some different hair masks. So far, the one I like the best is the Crystal Appleton Money Masks that we got in a box in the last few months. Love that stuff. I am really about to spend $45 on the full size of that, but I just can't pull the trigger on it. That's a lot of money, and I keep getting little samples of different ones. There was one we got in the Walmart box, the Eva something one, and I've also been using it and I really like it as well. The money one is the money though, but this one might be one to try as well. I'll see how that one goes. And oh, this is a 1.7 ounce fluid sample of that, so definitely good. And I can tell you this size, I can probably get 3-ish, maybe 4 masks out of that size, so not at all bad. I get, you know, that's like a lot of good uses out of one sample size. The last thing that I picked is this Aero Weightless Brow Tint. And this is, ooh, I think that's a really good color. I love that it's a teeny little wand. You just put it on your eyebrow and brush it through, and it leaves a little bit of color. And this is a good medium brown. So I'm going to enjoy using this one, try it out. I think it'll be a good color for me. Ones I have are either too dark or too light, so I'm glad to try this one, see if it's somewhere in the middle. And that looks like the 2 items that I got in substitute for the Sunday Riley vitamin C cream that was sold out is this EIR hydrating face mist, and this is a face mist toner. This says aloe and rose infused witch hazel based toner that refreshes and hydrates skin. It's great for removing sunscreen, dirt, oil, and makeup. So this is nice. That's nice. So this is just kind of a refresh your face spray. So this time of the year, if you're going to the pool, going to the beach, you got too much sunscreen on, you want to get rid of it so you can go somewhere else, this will help clean it off. And this was a full-size item. I will get the price for that and post it in the corner. I'm not sure the value of it. I know it's not the $65 value of my Sunday Riley cream, but maybe this with the $10 coupon plus the extra bonus item they sent me will cover it. So the last item I got, and then this is a full-size item, is the Daily Concepts Body Scrubber, Daily Body Scrubber. So this is, kind of looks like it's been opened before. It's been, it's got some tear underneath there, but the other side doesn't look that way, so I'm going to say maybe it wasn't opened all the way, hopefully. But I'm just gonna leave it sealed. But this is an exfoliating scrubber, so in the shower, if you for an exfoliating scrub, this will help get that skin refreshed, and use this for your daily cleansing. And again, I will check the value of this and I'll put that in the corner as well. So these were the 2 substitutes for my Sunday Riley plus the coupon. So we'll see if we got a $65 equivalent out of that or not. But for a $20 box, we definitely got our money's worth. So just for the things that I picked, I got really good samples on it. I got these, and I guess this would count in that grouping of my actual box items for $20. You guys, you know, this little sample is, they even sell travel sizes in stores. This is probably a $10 can of texturizing spray, plus we got the mask and the Dr. Brandt's expensive. So we definitely 100% got our value. If you guys have been watching me do Birchbox since they relaunched, you know that there have been some moments where I'm like, this is a ripoff. I do not like the value. This is not worth it. They have really been turning it around for the better. The choices are a lot better. You get to have choices between skincare, makeup. Every month there's really good options to pick from. You can see I chose skincare items primarily and hair care in this one. I do like those things. I like makeup too, but I like having some good variety. So this one's a win. I like this one. So if you guys want to check out Birchbox, I will leave a link below. I encourage you to do it. I think there's a discount for your first box. When I signed up, there was $10 off my first box. If there still is, your first box can be $10. So that is a win. I don't know that you can customize your very first box, but in any case, you're going to get some good stuff. So check it out, see what you think. If you guys also get your Birchbox, post in my comments what you picked, what your choices were, if you actually got the Sunday Riley cream in your box or not. I'm curious to see how many people actually got that. But I love hearing some feedback from you guys to know how you are enjoying the box. If you are also seeing the value in it and the improvement in the box overall like I am, let me know. I want to thank you so much for joining me today on Beth Unboxes. If you did like this video and would like to see more content like this, please hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit that notifications bell so you don't miss out on future content. And for now, I hope you have a great rest of your day. Thanks for joining me on Beth Unboxes. Bye-bye.